What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. Welcome back to another video. In this one, I'll be showing you Nvidia Broadcast and the magic it can do for noisy microphones. If you've used something like Discord, you're probably used to Crisp and things like that, helping out with background noise, but they don't do the best job sometimes, especially if you're in a loud situation with tons of noise, a big crowd, etc. There's a bunch of different things that we can use, both paid and free, but the one that I found that works the best, completely for free, is the Nvidia Broadcast app, which not only allows us to apply noise removal after the fact. You'll find a guide linked in the description down below if you'd like to do this in a video editor, but it also allows us to remove noise live from our microphones just using our graphics card. It's super powerful, though unfortunately, it does require an RTX 2000 or above graphics card. In the description down below, you'll find Nvidia Broadcast. Simply choose Download Now, save the exe, and open it. The installer will pop up. Simply just click through it as you would any Nvidia installer. Then after a medium-sized download, when it's done, we can click Close, and you should see a new shortcut on your desktop for Nvidia Broadcast. On top of this, the program should automatically open up. When it opens up, you'll see microphone, speakers, and camera as different tabs. What we'll be looking at in this video is microphone. In here, noise removal should automatically be selected, but we can change it to echo removal instead, or of course, we can leave it as 1 and add another effect here to have both noise removal and echo removal. The more of these you have running on your system, the more of your graphics card is eaten up in the background, but it does a really good job, and we have an adjustable strength slider here. All we need to do to use this is choose our microphone here if it's not correct at default. So mine is analog 1, 2 in my case, but for you it could be microphone, etc. When you've done this, you can simply speak into here. So I'll quickly do that. Hello, this is a test. In the background, you can hear a cricket and a lot of hissing noise. What we can do then is play it back. Hello, this is a test. In the background, you can hear a cricket and a lot of hissing noise, where you'll now hear that all of the background noise, the cricket, etc. were removed. Now, of course, Crisp does do a pretty good job, but I've found that this has the edge when it comes to large crowds, etc. It does a surprisingly good job. Now, in order to use this live, once you've set your microphone here and chosen your effects as well as their strength, you can open up things like Discord and head across to user settings in the bottom left. On the voice and video tab, you'll be able to choose a different input device, and now you should see a new one called Microphone Nvidia Broadcast. When you choose it, you'll notice there's a very small delay, but all of the noise removal and whatever you have set up is being done in the background, and it should sound a lot better. Now, of course, at full strength, it may be a bit too harsh, but we can set it to maybe 50%, and the sound should definitely improve. So once again, there's a cricket in the background, and we'll see how it does. 50%. We'll listen back to it. So once again, there's a cricket in the background, and we'll see how it does. The cricket is still audible and a bit of noise. Let's make it maybe 75. This is yet another test. Let's see how it sounds. And hear what it sounds like. This is yet another test. Let's see how it sounds. The cricket is completely gone, the background noise too, and my voice isn't being eaten into so much as before. If you recorded a longer clip, you should be able to play around with the strength as you're listening to it to change it automatically. What you'll do is find a good point where it doesn't eat away at too much of your voice, and it does a good job of getting rid of most of the background noise. Once you're happy, you can simply minimize it, and as long as this program is running, you should see sound output into the Nvidia Broadcast microphone that goes back into your system. As long as this program's running in the background, whether you minimize it or close it using the X, you should see that your microphone has the effect applied here. If you check your tray in the bottom right, you'll see the program is still running here. We'll need to right-click it and choose Quit if we'd like to turn it off. Otherwise, uncheck Microphone if you'd like to temporarily disable the effects, getting back some of your GPU power. That's it. It's as simple as that. If you'd like, you can close out of it completely or show it once more, but as long as it's running in the background at least, you'll see an extra microphone input here, and as soon as you close out of it, that input vanishes, automatically switching you back to your default device. Pretty cool. It's really useful, really powerful, and does a great job at removing background noise, in my case, especially a crowd. But of course, it's a free tool, your mileage will vary, and it does have a hefty requirement of needing a relatively recent Nvidia graphics card, RTX 2000 or above. Anyways, that's about it for this quick guide. Hopefully you found it useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!